Hey guys, it's Jovi. So listen, I'm having a little stomach situation right now, but I've been having an idea and I saw some TikToks and I want to really think about what exactly is in 1,000 bottles of baby oil and why would anyone need 1,000 bottles of baby oil? Now, even if you're a little friggy or pedophilia or whatever the frick, 10, 20, maybe even 100 bottles of baby oil, right? Between your homes or whatever. I could, okay, that still sounds a little weird, but why would there be 1,000 bottles of baby oil? And why would the federal government confiscate baby oil? People are saying they knew if things were happening, people were losing memory, they didn't know, they thought they were drugged, whatever the situation is, right? What if something is in that baby oil? What if the federal government told us they're dropping clues and hints, right? Everyone's geeky talking about 1,000 bottles of baby oil, but like, why would you need that much baby oil at one time? Unless it was something specific in said baby oil that you may have been giving away to people, may have been, had to buy in bulk so you would be able to, get an alleged narcotic in it that, once you put it on people, they lose their memory. Now, about 2 months ago, maybe three, it was a movie that came out. I know a lot of y'all seen it. If you haven't seen it, it's called Don't Blink. And it's always been at the the back of my mind when I've been thinking a lot about this whole Diddy situation. Now, if you haven't watched Don't Blink, one of the situations in it, or a major situation in it, is that these people, these women were getting diddied, let's say that, at night and didn't know it, right? Because they were wearing this perfume and the perfume was able to make them lose memory of what happened the at night, right? All day was cool, but at night, they did not have any recollection of the tragedies that were occurring to them, right? So that just came out. And you know how they say art imitates life. And now I'm questioning, and maybe we all should be questioning. Okay, yeah, you can say, it would have probably, then they dropped that they were like 700 dildos. They dropped the information about the baby oil first. And to me, that is important for a reason. The feds drop things for a reason. Why would anyone need 1,000 bottles of baby oil and lubricant at once? Why would you even order that? Right? Why would you order 1,000 bottles? Because these people weren't going to stores and buying it. Why would anyone order 1,000 bottles or 500 each of lube and baby oil? What would be the purpose of that? Maybe 50 bottles, right? But why would you order a grand total of 1,000 bottles of something? You know how they have liquid drugs, liquid fentanyl or whatever the frick. I don't know. I don't use drugs like that. I only smoke a little weed every once in a while. But you know how they have like liquid drugs and liquid fentanyl and whatever? What if it's something that is in liquid form that can be added to baby oil or lubrication? Again, I ain't a scientist. I don't know. But it seems like it could be possible that would cause the person who was being oiled up or oiled down or whatever to not remember what was occurring to them. What do y'all think? Am I bugging? Am I reaching? this is what happens when I got an upset stomach and I ain't got nothing to do but think. I'm thinking that we might soon find out that they might have been something in that baby oil. Give me your opinions. Drop it down below. And as always, I hope you live your life like it's golden, and don't let nobody rub no shit on you without you knowing what it is. Don't take no part free from these niggas, because apparently, look what the fuck the rich and the powerful are able to do. I don't put nothing past none of them. Later.